Hello and welcome to this video. In this one I'm going to be talking about the Caseology screen protector, tempered glass screen protector and the Parallax case. I've not used these before, I don't think, so it's going to be a first for me. We're going to see how this goes, and obviously we're going to try it with a tempered glass screen protector to start with. So alright, let's unbox this thing. Right, so in the kit you get a plastic frame that you put, a lining frame that you put around the phone. You get your rubber squeegee, a cloth, cleaning cloth. You've got 2 lens cleaning white packets, 2 sets of dust removal stickers, 2 tempered glass screen protectors. You also get your instructions on how to fit it. It's worth reading through those. And another little thing to show you how to use your squeegee. So let's get this on the phone and find out what it's like. Right, so I mean that was a dead easy install. It's foolproof. It's just brilliant. It's got a nice coat, feels nice. The glass got a good gap around the edges, notch areas open. The glass is not very thick, so it doesn't add too much bulk to the front of the phone. So still, if you're rocking it without a case, it still feels comfortable to hold. So let's get it, get the Caseology case on it. So it should all fit nicely. Little thank you card. Right, so it's a Parallax case. Got this honeycomb type effect on the back. Good cutout around the camera and that. It's got hard sort of plastic sides but soft TPU for the rest of it. It's a 2-part case. bit of shock absorption inside there, little sort of bits of branding and whatnot. Right, let's get it on the phone, let's have a look. Good snap-on, reassuring snap-on on the phone. As you can see, worked perfectly with the screen protector. Switch the screen off and there we go. Nice gaps around the edges. Still got a good lip along the screen area. Cutouts are all good. Power button's easy to get to. Excellent deep cutout for the camera. That's a great combo. You still get access to your mute slider, mute switch. So yeah, great. It's a great combination of those two. So that's it for this video. That was the Caseology tempered glass screen protector and parallax case, both for the iPhone. It's actually a really good little kit. So they're quite cheap to buy. I'll put links down in the description. But yeah, it's good protection, good all-round protection for, it's obviously an expensive phone. So like, share and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I've got some more videos come down for the iPhone, so if you hit the notification bell you get to find out when the next video drops. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.